Alright. I'll show you guys how we do this shit. I haven't cleaned my chain in a minute. That should be good. And then, hang on. What you want to do is put it right here. Kind of grip it around. Just a little bit more. Keep that chain clean, baby. Nice. Okay. I don't know, I should put the chain wax on when the chain's a little bit warm, but the chain's about to get warm when I ride, so I'm just gonna put it on now. I should get cardboard or something to block it from getting on the wheel, but I got a meet to go to right now, so we're YOLOing it. Should be good. Just a little bit. Alright. I'll catch you guys on the road. Woo! What's going on, YouTube? Anyways, I just cleaned it off with some kerosene and put some chain wax on it. So my shit finally came in, so. But right now, I'm going to a bike meet. My stepdad works at Harley down here, so I guess they throw a bike meet. Start at 7, it's 7:25 right now. So we'll be on time, but I don't know when it ends. But yeah, I cleaned my chain and it already feels better. It doesn't feel like clunky or anything. This shit's feel good. I'll catch you guys when I'll catch you guys because I have to hit the highway for a little bit. So once I hit the highway, I'll turn you guys back on. But yeah, see you then. Highway town, baby. Let's go. So I guess my stepdad's been there once so far for the one bike meet, and I guess he said it was popping. So we'll see how it goes. I want to go to more meets for you guys, and I want to go to more myself, so there better be some sport bikers there too. Shit, I don't even know where to go. I thought it was right, but I might be wrong. Dude, I really need to put my directions in. Oh, damn it! It's definitely that way. Should I do a U-ey? We're doing a U-ey. All right, we're about to pull up. Had to get gas real quick, and yeah, it's only been 40 minutes into the meet. Bro, I think we got Chipotle over here, bro. I'm finna get some Chipotle after. I'm that guy. Bad. Looks like it's packed, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna be up here every week. Let's go. I saw my stepdad who works there. I told you. He already sent me some pictures. Damn, you bad, girl. Damn. Damn, it's packed. I don't even know where to go. Let's go, baby. I don't even know where to go. I guess I'll just cruise around. Look, there's a bunch of badass Harley riders. Bro, I need to get carbon fiber on my bike ASAP, like full carbon. Bet, I'm gonna go right there. That's my stepdad.
Yeah, that's my stepdad.
Ooh.
I just say, what's up, man?
It's popping here.
All the sport bike guys are right over in that little lot right over there if you wanted to pull over there.
Where? Oh, they're all over there.
Yeah, that not the first lot, the second lot right there before the street. There's a bunch of guys with sport bikes in there, man. Probably just start, you know.
Not this one?
Yeah, here, follow me.
Alright. Ooh, look at that Busa. Let's go. I'm finna get me a nice burger to eat, bro. I'm hungry. Whew. Whew. Oh my lord.
Pull wherever, man. Pull up in here.
You bet. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. That thing's making like 300 horsepower. I have to go check that out.
And they told me this isn't even busy.
Really?
Yeah. I know, it looks like it's popping. Yeah, watch yourself.
This is every week?
Every Wednesday.
What the hell?
From now until the end of October.
I'm about to be up here every week. Yeah, I went past it coming here.
Got, you know, band over there and, you know, fucking all kind of shit happening.
Damn.
Mason didn't want to come with you?
Mason went to, he's like, not going to the gym? I said, no, I'm going to a fucking bike meet. Hell yeah. I need to take pictures of that thing.
That thing looks sick as shit, dude.
I need to see whose that is. That thing's insane. Oh my gosh. Look at all the carbon wings on it too.
What the hell's doing? What do you got?
Who's? Whew. You know how much horsepower it's making? How much horsepower it's making? The green? That thing's sick. What you ride? What? Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
No. 19, no.
That's crazy.
Oh man, he'll probably fly off the ground with it. Well shit, we got him his first bike, a Ninja 400, and he went to an R6 like that. You know 65 or 650 on
650. We just moved from Ohio, so he used to come to the meets there, so yeah. Oh, so you ride with him then?
Yeah, I'm Jake. I'm the one that be racing them all. He be talking all the time.
Okay.
Yeah, I be the one. He beat me the last one, but I had motor issues.
Oh, you're on YouTube?
I'm not on.
You're not? Okay.
I'm on his channel.
Okay. I might have seen you before then.
I beat him the first time. He beat me the second time. But
yeah.
We got a rematch. You're gonna be meeting like I think in what's that? May or middle May, like May 20th. I don't even ride it. I'm saving it for him. I'm not beating. I might sell it. You guys got a lot of meetups in this area for sport bikes and stuff? Yes.
Yeah, I have to come to some for sure. Well, damn, I'm gonna get some videos of that. This thing's sick. Alright. I'll catch you guys. Well, I guess I can go look at some bikes real quick. Yeah. I want to look at most of the sport bikes. Damn. M207, Gixxer stretched. Dude, everything's stretched here. I'd get my ass whooped, bruh. Like handed to me straight up. Other Gixxer. Yeah, it's like mainly Harleys, but some Busas. Yeah. Whew, it's popping here, yo. Oh, this boy finna get me demonetized, boy. He finna get me demonetized. Turn your music off, boy. Yeah, this meet was sick though, guys. I mean, little KTM. It's a wheelie monster right here. Look, this thing's dope though. I love the old S1Ks, the different lights. Yeah, she's clean. But yeah, guys, that H2 was crazy. My dream bike right there. Yeah, let's roll out of here though. Yeah, look at that. That place is that place is packed. So that was my first like bike meet. Hang on. That was my first bike meet in South Carolina. That was pretty dope. The crazy part is my stepdad said that oh, I can't see fucking shit. You guys know I TikTok with this. He got a tinted visor. I can't see shit. But yeah, he said that wasn't even busy. I said, what the hell does a busy night look like? Like, damn. Let's get some pops. Yeah, dude, guys, that H2 is so crazy, dude. Oh my god. Oh, Wingstop. That H2 was nuts, stretching everything. Yeah, I'm about to go eat some food though. I'm hungry. I'm about to get some Chipotle, that double chicken. What you know about it? But yeah, dude, you guys heard the dude. I was talking to him. Hey, Super Gremlin, yes sir. But yeah, I guess he was on. I might have seen one of 650E's videos, but that thing was. I guess he beat him once, and then E beat him once. I should have got some B-roll, but I didn't want to be up all on everyone's bike, you know. Well, never mind. I ain't getting no Chipotle. Shit. The hell is this, bruh? What the fuck, bruh? I go in. They're already cleaning. I figured they closed. It said they closed at 10. It's 8:40, bruh. She's like, yeah, we're online only. I'm like, oh, go figure. That's my luck, bruh. But yeah, so I'm pretty much gonna end the video after this. I'll get a little highway rip for you guys, maybe. It's a fun ass bike night, and they do that shit every Wednesday. He said. I'm like, damn, bruh, you guys do this shit every Wednesday. I'm about to be up here every Wednesday as well. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna fucking, when I get on the highway, I'm just ripping that bitch, hitting the rev limiter, and yeah, because I need to open her up. I can't see shit out of this visor, bro. I think there's a cop up there, way up there. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to go to do that car meet, or bike meet. Shit, sorry. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you like it, like I said, make sure you run that shit up. All love, baby. All love, baby. And I should really dust this cop. I'd laugh. Okay, yeah, I'll catch you guys next one. Ride safe. Over and out.